Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the app which will allow us to have the keyboard on the screen. So for example, messages, notes, the browser, wherever you can open the keyboard. And now let's simply enter the settings. Now we have to tap on languages and types. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of currently set languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Manage Input Languages. And here we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. As you can see, they are divided into two different sections. So those with this kind of download icon means that they are not currently saved in your device memory, but you can simply download them and they will be immediately applied. On the other hand, we've got the other section with the switchers, and those are simply currently in the device's memory, so you can just turn them on or off. And let me pick, for example, Arabic. Basically, all you have to do in order to apply the language is to tap on the switcher. Now we can go back. As you can see, it is immediately applied to this list also. And here we've got an additional option, language switching method. Let me tap on it, and as you can see, we've got three different ways, or actually two, and the third way is the combination. So we've got the spacebar swipe, language key, and both, and I will pick this option in order to show you how they work. So now we can go back to the keyboard, and we've got actually a difference here. So we've got the globe icon right here, which will actually allow us to change the language because it acts just like a language key. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Arabic one. What's more, let's check the another method, so the spacebar swipe, just like that, and as you can see, we've got English. So basically, this is how to add the language to keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need to have like 2 or 3 different languages added. So all you have to do is to enter the settings again, tap on the languages here, and again you have to enter Manage Input Languages. Let's tap. As you can see, all we have to do right here is to simply tap on the switcher, thanks to which we will simply turn off the language. No worries if you've chosen the language which is far down from the list, because it will immediately appear right here at the top. So no worries, you won't have to like scroll down again. Let's check the keyboard again to just check if it worked. And as you can see, we do not have the language key. What's more, the spacebar did not work. I mean, it works, but it does not work like the switching method, which simply means that we've got only a language applied, only one language applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy A73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.